So Sean Van Handel, CIO for CoVantage Credit Union. We're a mission-led credit union in northern Wisconsin. One of the reasons why I joined CoVantage was because of the value that we gave back to members every day. One of the things that we did about a year and a half ago was get rid of NFSVs, which obviously that impacts the members who can least afford it. And I was really proud to be part of that effort. I think the biggest challenge that we faced was sprawl. And really, when you look at that, this is a normal part of any organization, especially in today's world, where as you're building things, you're not thinking of the long-term vision. You're also not kind of quantifying the value to the business. One of the nice things about Axway and the platform is going through the process with Axway, who is really a true partner, is we were able to understand what that overall strategy was and where we were headed. When we developed that kind of vision, we were able to see kind of all the different pieces that we had sprawled out all over to pull those pieces together. We used to do security more ad hoc, so every API connection would have a different security model to it. Part of it, like I said, is it's pretty natural to do that in larger organizations as you grow. So I think we've gotten that under control, obviously with Axway's help to be able to do that. If I had to say one thing, the value that we've gotten to be able to show the business cannot be undersold. So now we can quantify that and say, this API is worth X amount of dollars. That's pretty compelling information to be able to give the business unit. So when we started our discovery around APIs, essentially what we figured out real fast was there's a couple of vendors that really stand out as partners out there. Axway was one of those partners. I think when we started the conversation with Brian, it was really around our existing environment and how we had these, kind of pockets of APIs in different places, and to be able to manage those from one single platform. I think that was a very compelling discussion with the business. The second piece was, obviously, I'd mentioned a little bit about the security and pulling all of those components together. Obviously, in today's world, security is a huge topic. When you look at APIs, that is probably one of the top two, I would say, vulnerabilities that most organizations have is in the security space. So that's a big one there.